Good morning, dear student. I hope you are well. In previous lecture, we were studies about metals react with the non-metals, and today we will discussing about what happens when metals react with the acid. Before discussing this reaction, one thing remind: metals carried positive charge, either 1 or 2 or 3. Non-metals carried negative charge, either 1 or 2 or 3. Metals will be बेस. मेटल्स हमेशा बेसिक इन नेचर होते हैं. नॉन मेटल्स एसिड. याद रखिएगा बच्चों. सो लेट्स सी हियर व्हाट हैपेंस when metal react with the acid means non-metal, it gives a salt and hydrogen gas. When metal react with the acid, it gives a salt and hydrogen gas. See here, sodium. When sodium metal react with sulfuric acid, it gives sodium sulfate salt and hydrogen gas. When magnesium metal react with sulfuric acid, it gives magnesium sulfate hydrogen gas. Magnesium sulfate is a salt. When calcium metal react with hydrochloric acid, it gives calcium chloride salt plus hydrogen gas. When zinc react with a hydrochloric acid, it gives a zinc chloride plus hydrogen gas. When copper metal react with 2 molecule of nitric acid, it gives copper nitrate salt and hydrogen gas. When beryllium metal react with 2 nitric acid, it gives beryllium nitrite and hydrogen gas. When aluminum metal react with 6 hydrogen bromide acid, it gives aluminum bromide salt plus hydrogen gas. So students, once again, when metals react with acid, what will be the product? Salt and hydrogen gas, which will be clarified by these 7 examples. Any doubt? I hope no doubt. One question: metals carried which charge? Positive. Non-metals carried negative. Metals will be base. Non-metals will be acid. Any doubt? If any doubt, you comment in comment box and send your question. Thank you.